Early detection saves lives, but early education could do twice as much. So this year, we are taking our breast cancer awareness campaign to high schools across the country. We are looking to educate the next generation of women who in turn will spread the word in their own unique ways. Early education, early detection, more awareness. Our message is simple. Set a reminder, get screened, and Crox it out. We are crossing out the risks, fear, and stigma attached to breast cancer. Our high school tour will make several stops from Eastern, Greater Accra, Central, and Ashanti regions, offering inspiring pep talks, breast cancer screening and education, amazing giveaways, and performances to top it all off. For further enquiries on partnership, sponsorship, or more, reach out to us on 059 229 2746 or visit mx24.app/CroxItOut. CroxItOut is brought to you in partnership with Top Choco, Flora Tissues, and YFM.